January is literally the month where a lot of ambitious women fall off, not because we're lazy, but because food, emotions, money, and expectations all at the same time. And you've probably made a vision board. Honestly, you probably didn't watch my last video, but it's okay. But I refuse to let you start the year feeling discouraged already because you had all these ambitious goals and now you don't even know where to start to achieve them. January is going to end so fast and February is going to come right around the corner with Valentine's Day before you know it. So before you get overwhelmed, prioritize your goals by focusing on these 3 things for your fitness or weight loss journey instead. The first step is having a January nutrition plan. Not figuring out every meal, but really how you and your household are going to eat through all the chaos and leftovers. Personally, I'm going to be following a fasting window. Fasting really supports weight loss when you're overwhelmed, especially heading into a new year. So most ambitious women, we wake up stressed already and our cortisol is high, our appetite is confused, and you're either not hungry or grabbing a quick junk snack because you have to prioritize other things. So what you need to do is prioritize your hydration. This is really going to stabilize your blood sugar, stop the mindless snacking, and let you hear the real hunger cues. By 11:30, I'm clear and in control because I got my hydration in check. Now, the next thing is that most people build their plates backwards. So they do carbs first, protein squeezed in, but for weight loss and stability, your protein needs to lead on your plate. This is going to help regulate your blood sugar and your mood, and it's also going to keep you full. So here's the system that I follow. 3 proteins, 2 carbs, and then 2 veggies. Taste test first, finish only what you enjoy, and this is going to keep you satisfied, not stuffed. Now, this is great if you are still celebrating in January and you're going out to eat. Maybe you have birthdays or you're just really enjoying life. Your enemy isn't food. It's gaps with no plan, like skipping meals and mid-January events. Start by planning safety net meals. These are 10-minute high-protein meals. Think ground turkey, egg fried rice, a tuna or egg chicken salad, breakfast burritos. Eat that before the chaos hits. For appetizers or parties, pick protein-heavy things like wings or shrimp. Also, if you want to drink, get a strong drink, not soda. This helps you not get those refills. And again, it's making a decision before you hit the table. Now, really, this works for me because it's my habits and my triggers. Yours may need personalization with meal frequency. Maybe safety nets need to match what you have at home. So consistency isn't really about willpower. It's really just building that system for your budget, your schedule, and your emotions. This is why my one-on-one clients win, because I tailor their plan to their needs. Now, if this quick video helped you out, be sure to subscribe because I am your go-to for how to stay fit, save money, and stay emotionally steady during one of the most stressful times of the year. If you feel like you are in a season where you need a system more than just another generic challenge, and maybe you want structure that actually fits your hectic lifestyle, you can apply for one-on-one coaching using the link in the description below. Nothing changes without action, so pick the January version of you that actually crushes your goals. And as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.